Now we put it on the boat. You can hit. I show you and you can follow me.
I'm deaf
Your
and
turn.
I heard that. Now I have to think about something that makes me really angry.
Angry. Yeah.
Got it!
Yeah.
Yay! That's how you do it. Get angry.
Yes.
This way.
So we're going to use this video screen to help us see where the bug is because we don't all have green eyes
就
like
看
we
来
can.
其实这边还是花这边更大只，看来。
Wow! It's Halloween again. This might be my favorite outfit.
来 ，here, follow me.
You know, this might be my new favorite
Yeah.
outfit.
呀，交叉。
And we just try to push it to the stream side.
Okay.
Yes.
Ooh, that was fun. Ooh. We're helping you.
Yeah.
You have the pond when you're able to get this environment. The frogs come here and the snakes come for the frogs and the owls and the eagles come for the snakes. So you can see how it's a chain where all the creatures follow the bird. And we are actually part of the ecosystem as well, which is why Mr. Chen emphasized that it's so important that we spend time trying not to disrupt the environment. And there are many ways to do that.